Hello and welcome to our channel. Gemma 4 is a latest version and it comes with many features and latest upgrades. So it is most intelligent open source model built from Gemini 3 research and technology to maximize intelligence per parameter. What is Gemma 4? Maximize compute and memory efficiency, unprecedented intelligence per parameter. So it is a highly efficient model. It can be used for agentic workflow, multimodal reasoning, support for 140 languages. Performance is very good, industry leading efficiency. So this is efficiency of Gemma 4. It can be used with Hugging Face, Ollama, Kaggle, LM Studio and Docker. So it's a versatile model which can be used in different scenarios. It can run on JAX, Gemini Enterprise Agent Platform, Keras, OpenAI Edge, Cactus, Kubernetes Engine, Ollama, Onslaught, etc. So Gemma 4 model are designed to deliver frontier level performance at each size. They are well suited for reasoning, agentic workflows, coding and multimodal understanding. It can be used with Ollama. It can be used with Cloud Code, Open Code, Hermes Agent and also with OpenClaw. So these are the commands to run this is the command to run it. The Cloud Code, this is Open Code, Hermes and OpenClaw. So it can be used for reasoning, extended multimodalities, diverse and efficient architecture offers dense and mixture of experts, variant of different sizes of scalable deployment, optimized for on-device, increased context window, enhanced coding and agenting capabilities, native system prompt. To run the Gemma 4, we can run this command on terminal. To run this model in Ollama, run this command Ollama run Gemma 4 and it is loaded now. Now we can say tell me about yourself. So this is an AI agent designed to process and understand human languages. So this model is very powerful. So it simply created the hello world. So it simply created the hello world program in Java and also explained how to run it. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.